In this video, we will see how to ingest data from Azure SQL into DataRobot. Organizations use RDBMS systems like Azure SQL to store and retrieve structured data. We will be using JDBC connectivity to connect to Azure SQL and pull in data into DataRobot. For this, we will be needing the JDBC URL or the connection parameters to the Azure SQL instance. We can get the JDBC URL and the connection parameters from the SQL instance properties page. Under C connection strings, we can see the JDBC URL and we can also get the connection parameters from the URL. Now that we have the JDBC URL, let us connect to Azure SQL from DataRobot. Select Data Connections, add new connection, Azure SQL, JDBC URL. Let's select the driver version, paste the URL, add connection. Let us test our connection. The connection is successful. Now let us go back to AI catalog, add to catalog, existing connection, DataRobot is connecting to Azure SQL and getting our database tables. Let us select the table, proceed with registration. And the table is now ready for our subsequent activities. Now let us use DataRobot API to ingest data from Azure SQL. First, we connect to DataRobot instance. Then we define our JDBC URL. We create our credentials. We select the driver. And then we create the data store. We test our data connection. And then we set the query to pull. And then DataRobot goes ahead and pulls the table from Azure SQL into AI Catalog.